Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 20 of CMA final SFM. This is the mutual fund. Please read the questions here. Look at it. Illustration number 20. The following are the data on the 5 mutual funds. The following are the data of the 5 mutual funds. That is Raksha, Barsa, Vriddhi, Mitra, Lahari. This is the returns of the given. This is the standard deviation given. This is the betas given. Okay, what are the reward to variability and volatility ratio and ranking of these ratios? Risk free rate of return, this is given. Risk free rate of return, that is given 6%. Now we have to find reward to variability and volatility. Now reward to variability, reward to volatility, this is your Sharpe ratio, Sharpe ratio, that is the return of the portfolio, risk free rate of return, standard deviation of portfolio. Reward to volatility, this is a Treynor ratio, Treynor ratio, this is return of the portfolio, risk free rate of return, beta of the portfolio. On the basis of this, it is asking to you. The name of Sharpe ratio, other name of Sharpe ratio is reward to variability, and the name of Treynor ratio is to reward to volatility. Okay. Now, I am going to calculate reward to volatility and reward to variability. Calculation of reward to variability and volatility. Reward to variability and volatility. Portfolio here. Look at it. Reward to variability. This is the rank. Reward to volatility. This is your rank. Reward to variability. This is Sharpe ratio. Sharpe ratio. Standard of these risk free. This is Treynor ratio. Treynor ratio. Portfolio risk free beta. The name is this 16.6 divided by 8, 1.25. Barsa 12 minus 6 divided by 6. This is 1. Vardhita 14 minus 6 divided by 5. 1.60. Mitra 18 minus 6 divided by 10. 1.20. Lahari 15 minus 6 divided by 7, 1.29. The rank on the basis of these is highest one 1.60. This is the one. 1.29. This is the second. 1.25. This is the 3. This is 4 and this is the fifth rank. Similarly, in this case, 16 minus 6. What is the beta in this case here? 1.5. These are the betas here. 1.5. This is 6.67. This is 12 minus 6 whole divided by 0.98. That is 6.12. 14 minus 6, 1.4. 5.71. 18 minus 6, 0.75. That is 16. 15 these, 1.25. 7.2. This is a 5.71. Highest is 7 point, and this is a 16. This is a 1. 7.2. This is a second rank. This is your 5.71. This is 6 point. This is a third rank. This is the fourth rank. This is your fifth rank. Okay. In this way, I have calculated reward to variability and reward to volatility. Actually, the other name of Sharpe ratio is reward to variability, and name of Tanner ratio is reward to volatility. This is the same, and rank is calculated on the basis of highest one. Okay. Thank you, class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.